SatStack is a privacy-first Bitcoin DCA tracker for Android. The problem? People stacking sats have no dedicated private tool. Most portfolio apps are cloud-connected, altcoin cluttered, and leak your financial data. SatStack fixes that with 4 pillars: a room-backed DCA journal, biometric auth on every launch, live market analytics from public APIs, and a milestone progress tracker. The 3 optional features are double tap privacy mode, local milestone notifications, and a broadcast receiver for offline detection. So visually, Bitcoin orange on dark, full material design 3. 5 screens: onboarding, vault, dashboard, analytics, and settings. Navigation uses an enum-based nav host with pop-up 2 inclusive equals true at auth and onboarding exits. No backstack leakage. So before we go into the app, I'm going to demonstrate how to register a fingerprint. So you open the settings page and then go to security and privacy. And you simply just add a fingerprint, and if you set a PIN number to anything you like, and then now we need to click extended controls from emulator and put the fingerprint screen open. And then you simply just touch the sensor, then it will automatically register your fingerprint like that. Now the fingerprint is added. Now I'm going to run the app. On the fresh install, onboarding dash complete is false, so we hit the 4-page wizard. So let's click get started, and then it will show which currency I would like to use. I will use GBP, and then it asks whether the user wants to set a target and use a sample data to explore for the first time. I'm going to use this for our demo purposes, and then it also asks for exchange URL. So I'm going to put If you ever make mistakes during onboarding stage, such as not clicking the load sample data, you simply go to the app info and then clear the storage. And then if you restart the app, it will go from the first stage of onboarding. And following on the onboarding phase, the biometric prompt will automatically launches. If I click touch sensor, it will direct me to the dashboard. So on dashboard, as you can see all the sats you stacked and milestone progress currently calculated by your goals, and DCA history, which can be scrollable, and they also can be deletable. The deletion follows room delete to DAO emits new flow, and then composable recomposes. There are no manual refresh. Also, we have a double tap feature here. So if you click eye icon for long hold, it will show a hint message to double tap to hide the balance. So if you double tap the balance, it will hide this. This is for security feature, that if the user wants to hide balances when they are outside, they can do it by double tapping. We also have fat button. When you click it, user can add the DCA entry. So for instance, if I add £42,200 and date set to yesterday, save entry. As you can see, £42,200 yesterday, and then the balance automatically fills up as well. And I'm going to add more to hit the milestone. As you can see, we get the milestone reached notification with the goal. On save entry, the view model compares total before and total after against the goal. For analytics page, we have two API calls in parallel coroutines. These sections are from alternative.me, and this bottom card is from CoinGecko for live Bitcoin price. For Fear and Greed Index, API fetches the data and then we display on the horizontal bar here. And for historical values, we have now, yesterday, last week, and last month, so that user can use these metrics to decide their financial choices. We also have your portfolio section, which gets information from your dashboard balance and calculates your P&L, profit and loss, and it shows green or red color according to your P&L status. And these both APIs use raw HTTP URL connection, no third-party HTTP library, and they auto refreshes every 5 minutes via a delay loop in view model scope. And if you click buy more sets, it will redirect to the website exchange URL that you set in the onboarding stage. As you can see here, it redirected to Kraken, so the user can just click get the app button and they can immediately buy more, for instance, Bitcoin. I'm now going to demonstrate offline mode. So if the user lost the connection on their device, the offline mode banner will appear at the top of the analytics page, and all the features will still work through this offline mode. This is because local room data is still functional during the offline mode. Now back online. The offline banner disappeared, and then next is settings. We have 4 different fields that user can change. The first one is appearance. User can set it to light mode as well, and the light mode will work throughout all the tabs. And user also can use set a milestone goal to different milestones, and they can also change the exchange URL from here, and then user also can change the currency they are interested in from this settings page. The whole app survives through rotations. So as you can see, the dashboard page and add DCA entry, analytics page, and settings page, they all survive through rotations. Now I'm going to talk about best practices and security. So this app strictly uses MVVM, no business logic in composables, and it's one-way data flow, room to DAO and to state flow, and then UI. And coroutine scope to view model scope, dispatches.io for all network and DB work. For security, I used biometric strong. This is hardware backed only. And network security config.xml sets clear text traffic permitted equals false. So HTTP exchange URLs are all OS blocked. Both APIs are open public endpoints, so zero hard-coded secrets. This covers all the mandatory specifications and all 3 optional features and the security and the best practice implementation. This app is SatStack, a private offline first Bitcoin DCA journal. Thank you very much.